Hello everyone, welcome to this series on important works in literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the play The Libation Bearers by Aeschylus. Introduction. The Libation Bearers, the second play in Aeschylus' Oresteia trilogy, delves deeply into themes of revenge, justice, and familial bonds. Following the tragic events of Agamemnon, this play continues the story with an intricate web of motivations and consequences leading to climax that sets the stage for the final play, the Eumenides. Aeschylus, often referred to as the father of Greek tragedy, crafts a narrative that not only captivates but also compels the audience to reflect on the complexities of human nature and divine will. Key characters. Central to the drama are Orestes and Electra, the son and daughter of the slain king Agamemnon and the treacherous queen Clytemnestra. Orestes, having been exiled for many years, returns with a singular mission to avenge his father's murder. Electra, who has remained in Argos, suffers under her mother's rule and longs for justice. Clytemnestra, a dominant and manipulative figure, now rules alongside her lover Aeschylus, who is equally culpable in Agamemnon's murder. Orestes' loyal companion, Pylades, and the chorus of slave women who guide and support the siblings round out the primary cast. Plot overview. The play opens at Agamemnon's tomb, where Orestes and Pylades arrive in secret. Orestes offers a lock of his hair to honor his father and contemplates his vengeful task. This act of mourning sets the tone for the entire play, emphasizing the deep bond between Orestes and his deceased father. As they hide, Electra arrives with the chorus sent by Clytemnestra to pour libations in hopes of appeasing Agamemnon's spirit after a troubling dream. Electra's grief and anger are palpable, highlighting the emotional and psychological toll of her father's murder. The joyful reunion of the siblings strengthens their resolve to exact revenge. Disguised as travelers, Orestes and Pylades infiltrate the palace, eventually killing both Aeschylus and Clytemnestra. The murder of Aeschylus is swift and unceremonious, but the confrontation with Clytemnestra is fraught with tension and emotion. Clytemnestra's desperate pleas and Orestes' hesitation add layers of complexity to their interaction, making the act of matricide a harrowing moment for both the characters and the audience. However, Orestes' victory is marred by the haunting presence of the Furies, goddesses who pursue him for the crime of matricide, highlighting the inescapable cycle of vengeance and the heavy burden of guilt. Major themes. Revenge drives the narrative, with each character motivated by a complex web of past grievances and future fears. Orestes and Electra seek to make their mother suffer the same fate that she enacted upon their father. The concept of revenge in the Libation Bearers is deeply tied to the ancient Greek notion of miasma, or blood pollution, where the murder of a family member contaminates the killer and demands further bloodshed to restore balance. Justice is depicted as both a personal and divine mandate, with Orestes believing his actions are sanctioned by Apollo. The play raises questions about the nature of justice and whether it can truly be achieved through further violence. Familial bonds are explored through the siblings' loyalty to their father and their hatred for their mother, who has violated their familial trust. The theme of piety versus impiety is evident in Crates' reverence for the gods and the dire consequences of ignoring divine will. This reverence is contrasted with the impiety of Clytemnestra and Aeschylus, who have not only murdered Agamemnon but also disrupted the natural order of the family and society. Important symbols. Symbolism enriches the narrative, with Agamemnon's tomb representing the unresolved grief and duty felt by Orestes and Electra. The tomb is a physical reminder of the past crimes that continue to haunt the present, emphasizing the weight of ancestral sins. Libations symbolize acts of piety and respect for the dead, while the hair and footprints at the tomb underscore the siblings' familial connection. These symbols also serve to highlight the theme of recognition and identity, as Electra initially identifies Orestes through these tokens. Clytemnestra's dream of giving birth to a serpent, which Orestes interprets as a sign of his destined role in her demise, further emphasizes the inescapable nature of their familial curse. The serpent is a potent symbol of betrayal and vengeance, encapsulating the play's central conflict. This dream is not only a foreshadowing device, but also a commentary on the unnaturalness of Clytemnestra's actions, as she has metaphorically given birth to her own destruction. The role of the chorus. The chorus of slave women serves a crucial role in advancing the plot and providing commentary. Unlike the passive elders in Agamemnon, these women actively support Electra and Orestes, advising them and reinforcing the narrative of justice through revenge. They also recount tales of women's treacheries, further vilifying Clytemnestra and justifying her impending doom. The chorus reflects the collective conscience and societal norms of the time, emphasizing the expectations and consequences of breaking these norms. Their songs and dialogues often delve into the moral and ethical implications of the actions of characters, providing a broader perspective on the unfolding events. Conclusion and legacy. The Libation Bearers concludes with Orestes fleeing Argos, tormented by the Furies and questioning the morality of his actions. This unresolved tension sets the stage for the Eumenides, where the cycle of vengeance will be further examined. Aeschylus' trilogy, particularly The Libation Bearers, explores the devastating consequences of revenge and the complex interplay of justice, familial duty, and divine will. His work has left an indelible mark on Greek tragedy, influencing the portrayal of moral dilemmas and the human condition in literature. Aeschylus' ability to weave intricate themes with powerful characterizations and profound symbolism makes The Libation Bearers a timeless exploration of human nature. The play's examination of revenge, justice, and familial loyalty continues to resonate, reminding us of the enduring relevance of ancient Greek drama. Through the harrowing journey of Orestes and Electra, Aeschylus invites us to reflect on the complexities of morality and the often painful pursuit of justice. So this was the discussion on the play The Libation Bearers by Aeschylus. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.